how to report a missing item from McDonald's order. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to report a missing item from McDonald's order. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for McDonald's. And now here on the result page, simply click on the first link. And here, once you click on that, you'll be prompted to the official website of McDonald's. From here, simply scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the contact us. So here under contact us, you can see the option labeled as customer feedback. So simply click on that. And now here under this section, if you scroll down, you have several text field options. So here you simply have to fill out the form as prompted, and here once you're done filling out all the form, you can simply click on submit. And after that you'll get an email confirmation and someone from McDonald's support or the specific restaurant will contact you to resolve it within 1 to 2 business days. And that's it. That's how you can report missing items from McDonald's order. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.